find the associated one. This tells you that everything got measured correctly. You want to make sure on the job paper, one of the first steps for paint and prime, make sure that it says no labeling. If it requires labeling, we'll need to bring it back to the pro table, load it back on, and get labels printed to stick on the back of all the doors. But for now, we'll get this, we'll quality check the job. We'll go ahead and grab this workbench. We always did it. Made sure the count's good, made sure the quality is good. The work packing slip is on the job itself. That means it's good, ready to go to the next step. This case, let's set the back. So you'll look at the job number. This one's 2757. And you'll see if there are any other jobs that require the same one. See the top two green ones. Green means it's back and finished. Both of those go to the same customer. So we'll just put them on the same package. Here's the other job. Same customer, just two doors. So put them on the same pallet, just separate them with some foam. We'll show that later on. You want to find an appropriate size pallet for the job. Right here, this is our 31 by 47. You get two pallets stacked up. That's later for the RoboPack. I'll show that in a different video. But it's just to ensure that the packing wrap goes all the way to the bottom of the pallet. But you get two pallets, the cover sheet. You guys have programs to cut out the cover sheet. And anybody in it will basically help with that. So, go ahead and start packaging. That's the paperwork. Just set it here so you know which one you're working on. Packaging, you only want to start biggest to smallest, just so you know where you can fit the small ones in between. You want to make it as even as possible. Put it on. You want to make sure that the doors are a quarter-inch package inside of the cover sheet. This is to prevent any forklift damage or pallet jack. If someone goes to pick it up, make sure the forklift doesn't hit the doors itself. It hit everything else too. Right here, on that one, 34.5 by 9 inch. Grab one of these. That'll be our first layer. First layer, you always want to make sure that the backs are down and the panels are up. Just so if anything does get scratched, if there's any defects on the sheet, it'll hit the back of the doors rather than the front. Then go ahead, throw it in on the next one. Put it together, kind of interlocking it. If you need to get a strap to cover a corner or something, if it's doesn't have any support, you want to take care of that. I'll show you this really quick, just something to avoid. Got this one. One thing you don't want to do something like this can sit down, scratch that panel right there. You always want to make sure that it's supported on the frames if possible, so you can move it away from the edge. Just make sure that it's clear as possible, and things aren't going to damage the panels. That's one thing that you want to avoid. And build the pallet all the way up. Our pallets can go up to thick 36 inches.